Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, everybody, distinguished professors, academicians, and beloved students. Please allow me to express my honest and heartfelt pleasure to be here today and welcome you to International Online Workshop on Consequences of COVID-19 on Small and Medium Enterprises and collaboration with Sulaimani University. Respected participants, due to the COVID-19 process, there have been lockdowns all around the world. Consequently, small and medium enterprises were dramatically affected by those lockdowns negatively. Therefore, small and medium enterprises tend to reduce their cost of human resources and other expenditures. This causes a huge increase in unemployment rate and renders thousands of fresh graduates and job seekers hopeless. However, it should be noted that every change also brings with it a unique opportunity, one that we must grasp with both hands and understand fully to exploit. Technological progress, while making a few profiles irrelevant, has also introduced a diverse array of new roles and responsibilities, which require a greater application of human creativity, analytical knowledge, and intuition using the technology and knowledge management. Small and medium enterprises can create new opportunities for themselves in order to survive these hard times. In this regard, Tishk International University saw this problem as its duty and organized the International Online Workshop on Consequences of COVID-19 on Small and Medium Enterprises, in order to show the points that small and medium enterprises can start working from. By this way, we believe that the university would reach one more milestone in constructing new bridges in the hard time of the humanity. Dear participants and guests, let me give you a brief information on Tishk International University. TIU was established in Erbil in 2008. Currently, as we mentioned, it has 8 faculties, 23 departments, not 21, this is not updated, 23 departments, and offers world-class education to around 4,500 students. And overall, our staff is about 551. The department, scientific department, as you see, we have engineering faculties, the biggest one, consists of 7 departments: architecture engineering, civil engineering, computer engineering, interior design, mechatronics, this is a new department, petroleum and mining engineering, surveying and geomatic engineering. This is engineering faculty. We have a science faculty, information technology department, and medical analysis. Law faculty, you have law department, administrative and economic faculty, you have business, management, banking and finance, accounting, international relations, and diplomacy and tourism. Education faculty, English language department, mathematics, physics, biology, and computer science. We have pharmacy department, also dentistry is the best faculty that we have in the region and Iraq also, and also nursing faculty. This is the 8 faculty that we have. As you see, we have 23 bachelor degree And also, we started joint master program with public universities. We have 32 master degree programs actually, and we are waiting for a new academic year to start a new program for the master degree. As you see, we have Sulaimani University, 14 programs. With Erbil Polytechnic University, we have 8 programs, and also we have 3 programs with the Howler Medical University and 7 programs with Korea University. Besides of this one, we have double diploma program with George Mason University of the United States of America, and with also Bologna University and other universities. This is joint program or double diploma program. Also, we have 3 journals recognized by the Ministry of Higher Education, and already we published in this year's 240 articles with impact factor and 299 articles with the index. Besides all of these faculties, we have other units that serving, for example, our prep school as the teaching language is English in our university. So the students that coming their background from Kurdish or Arabic schools, they should go through this prep school. We have Cisco Networking Academy and also Engineering Consulting Bureau. Besides of e-learning center, also Center for Gender, besides of Continuing Education Center and TOEFL Center and also Career Center. We have 3 journals, as I mentioned, recognized by the Ministry of Higher Education. This is European Journal and also Eurasian Journal of Science and also International Journal of Social Science and Educational Studies. This is a short description. Besides of this one, we have a lot of got a lot of accreditation certificate from international agencies, from ZEFA Germany and also ISAC UK. That we got it. We are the only university that you have such number of journals, accreditation, sorry. And the university become international because of many reasons, vision and mission, and also the teaching language is English, and also we adopting education system based on Bologna process, and also we got a lot of international accreditation. We have programming accreditation, 11 programming accreditation, besides of recently, 2 weeks ago, we got institutional accreditation from ZEVA. This is international, we got it. And this is some of the certificate that we got it internationally, this accreditation, as you see here. And also we got accreditation from the Association of Arab Universities for Law Faculty, that is the unique university in Iraq that we have this accreditation among the older universities. So TIU has been recognized by several, as I mentioned, international accreditation institutions that achieved high ranking among international and national universities. We have one branch in Sulaimani. The Sulaimani campus of TIU was established in 2015 with the aim of transferring and sharing this accumulated educational experience with the city of Sulaimani and surrounding areas. I would like to take this opportunity and inform you that the construction of TIU new campus will start shortly and hopefully be completed as soon as possible. To conclude, it is my sincere hope and earnest belief that this workshop will prove to be beneficial and provide sustainable and lasting solution to the ongoing issue of unemployment, especially among engineers. Once again, I would like to welcome you to our workshop and say that we feel privileged privileged to have you here with us today. Thank you to all of you that participate in this important workshop.